Hey there, my DIY enthusiast, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nathan, and I'm the owner of Nostalgic, and this is where we'll dive into all things creative and crafting. Today, we're tackling a super important topic: how to prevent cracking in cement for your candle vessels and bowls. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, these tips will ensure that your project comes out perfect every time. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. That's if you find it helpful. Now let's get started. Rule number one. This is the golden rule. Mixing cement. First things first. Once you mix your cement, you cannot add any additional water. This is critical because adding extra water after the initial mix can weaken the structure and lead to cracks. Think of it like baking a cake. Once you put the cake in the oven, you can't go back and add any additional ingredients. Step two, perfecting consistency is key. Let's talk about the consistency. You want your cement mixture to be like pancake batter. Smooth, thick, thick enough to pour, but smooth enough to where it goes into the silicone mold. Now, if you're noticing water on top of the mixture, don't panic. Simply add a bit more cement and mix it in until you achieve the perfect consistency. Step number three, allow adequate time to cure. Here's where patience comes into play. Curing time is critical because it helps prevent cracking. Now, if you're working with limited molds and or are pressed for time, allow at least 2 to 3 hours for enough of the water to evaporate. This ensures that your cement sets up perfectly and reduce the risk of cracks. Now, here's tip for cement. Did you know that the cement continues to cure and harden over several days? The initial 24 hours are critical because it takes up to a week for the cement to reach its maximum strength. Tip number two, using a high quality silicone mold makes the world of difference. They're flexible, which makes it easier to remove the project without causing any damage. Plus, silicone molds help distribute the heat evenly during curing, reducing the risk of cracking. Now, let's recap just in case we miss one. No extra water, no more water. If it begins to harden, trash it. Do not add additional water. Two, consistency. Aim for a pancake batter consistency. Three, proper curing time. Allow a minimum of 2 to 3 hours for the initial curing time. And there you have it. You will have a crack-free, beautiful cement candle vessel and bowls every time. If you enjoyed this video, please share with a friend, leave a comment below. And if you have any additional questions or additional tips, please leave them. And thank you for watching and happy crafting. I'll see you next time.